If you need to accept payment on a Squarespace website, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's dive into it. So the first thing we're going to do is go from the left-hand side down to our settings icon. Once we're in our settings icon, we'll see a menu on the left-hand side. You want to look for selling, and this is where you'll create your payments account. Now on the center section here, you will go into payments, and here you will set up a way to receive a payment. Okay, so you'll see that there's Stripe, PayPal, and there is a Square point of sale. This is only in the US. It's only available in the US. You want to also go down to settings, and you can change your store currency. Now, once you've chosen the method that you would like to receive payments with, you're going to go ahead and select it and connect that account. So if it's for Stripe, you'll be redirected to Stripe and you'll connect your Stripe account. The same thing with PayPal. And once you're done, you'll be able to receive payments. Now, if we go back into selling, once that has been done, all right, you'll be able to go back into payments, and if you've received a payment, you'll have to now add a bank account that money will be paid into from that PayPal or that Stripe account. So you'll need an actual bank account that money will be paid into. And once you've done that, you have pretty much allowed your Squarespace website to accept payments.